संवसारीक पावण्यार जर्मनीच्या बुंडesliga सर्तीचो दर्जो बऱ्यापैकी आसा। या सर्तीन खेळपी TSG हॉफनहाइम क्लब सध्या गोंयांत आसा। शेनवारा सकाळी TSGच्या खेळगड्यांनी साळगांवकर फुटबॉल क्लबाच्या उदेत्या खेळगड्यांक मार्गदर्शन केले। फुडारान साळगांवकर हॉफनहाइमाकडेन टाय अप करूंक शकता अशें साळगांवकर क्लबाचे अधिकारी स्वाती साळगांवकर म्हणटा।
We are very happy to be here. My name is Frank. I'm the assistant coach from Hoffenheim. This Niklas, who is also assistant coach. Locker zurück. Borogal, gol in Duman.
Hello, first of all. For us it was a very interesting trip so far. We collect a lot of experiences. Yeah, so far it was very interesting for us. We had the chance to see a lot of the country, the northeast, the south. We've been in Delhi, Calcutta, and met a lot of very nice people. Met some guys from from different soccer teams, and for us, it was very nice to stay here. So, yeah, they said all guys have good technical skills. There have been a goalkeeper, the big one, who has been very good. The coach told me, and yeah, I think this is good to have programs like this to develop the youth. And yeah, I saw our coach, the guys, they had fun, and I think this is also a very important thing, to have fun and push the thing forward.
There are no plans as of now, but it's definitely something we would be interested to explore in the future, because as I mentioned before, the only way to improve the standard of football in Goa is to have more exposure to the best practices outside, not just Goa but the country as well.
इतल्याने खबरचित्र हांगा सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।